Can someone have your baby birds, Rafael?
No.
No?
No.
Do you love your baby bird?
Yeah. Don't ask my son wants. That's my friend Cody.
You don't want to give it to someone else?
Yep.
Are you going to take care of your baby bird?
Yeah.
Are you going to feed him?
Yeah. I say yes.
Oh, yes. Okay. So you're in charge for the baby bird's food, okay? Ew, what is that?
It's
Woo! Ew, so yucky.
I love you.
Can Kaifan have it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Let's have fun.
Hmm?
Let's have fun.
Kaifan?
Yeah.
He's in Jogja.
Mommy.
Tell Kaifan, look at the baby bird.
Kaifan, you the baby bird.
You want to play with it?
Yeah.
Hmm? Ask Kaifan. You want to play with the baby bird, Kakak?
I'll see him.
You want to see Kaifan?
Yeah.
Do you miss him?
Yep.
Say, Kakak, I miss you.
I miss you, Kaka. That's a baby bird.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Bye-bye, Kaifan.
Bye-bye, Kaifan.